Hello, my name's Rhys. I'm the Instrumentation Marketing Specialist here at Iron Science, and today I'm going to show you what's inside the Panther case kit. To start with, we've got the documentation. This includes the extended warranty card, you've got the quick start guide, as well as the calibration certificate. You then have the Panther leak detector, as well as the probe cover here. This slides onto the probe to protect it. You then have the box spanner. The box spanner is used in case you damage or bend your probe and is easily used to replace the probe. You then have the power supply. The power supply can be used for all plug types. Coming over to the optional accessories, you've got the flexible probe. The flexible probe attaches directly onto the Panther instrument for hard to reach spaces. You then have the Bluetooth dongle. The Bluetooth dongle connects directly into your PC if required. Thank you for listening.